Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Shark Wandvac filter is probably one of the most important components to maintain the suction power and overall performance of your cordless vacuum, and today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about replacing it, from identifying the right filter for your model to the step-by-step process of replacing it, ensuring your Shark Wandvac stays in tip-top shape for years to come, keeping your home clean and your vacuum running smoothly. Number 5. Shark Wandvac Filter, 4-pack. It seamlessly integrates with your Shark Wandvac cordless handheld vacuum. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance. This kit includes 4 premium HEPA filters and a bonus mini brush. Get everything you need for thorough cleaning. These filters are washable and reusable, saving you money. Replace them every 2 to 3 months for peak performance. Installing these filters is quick and easy. They simply snap into place, making replacement a breeze. Each filter undergoes thorough testing before shipment. We ensure you receive high-quality, reliable filters. What we like? This pack offers 4 high-quality filters and a bonus cleaning brush for superior value. If you're on a budget but need reliable replacements, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to maximize their cleaning efficiency without breaking the bank. What people say. These filters fit my handheld Shark perfectly. The little vacuum had stopped running, except very briefly. I had previously cleaned the original filter repeatedly, but it was clearly now time to buy new ones. The new ones were easy to put in, fit perfectly. It is easy to clean when needed, and the suction remains as good as it was. These filters fit just right and improved the appliance's performance. Exactly like the original filter. Excellent quality. Number 4. Shark Wandvac WV201 Filters. Introducing the replacement filter kit for your Shark Wandvac. This pack ensures your vacuum stays efficient and your home stays clean. It's compatible with a wide range of Shark and cordless handheld vacuums, including the models WV200, WV201, WV205, and more. Check the list to confirm compatibility with your model. You'll receive 6 high-quality filters and a convenient cleaning brush in this package. Everything you need to maintain peak performance. These filters are made from durable, high-strength materials. They effectively trap dust, dirt, pet hair, and other fine particles. For added convenience, these filters are washable and reusable. Simply rinse them with water, let them air dry completely, and you're ready to go. Replacing your filters every 2 to 3 months will keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. It's easy to install, no tools needed. What we like? Get 6 long-lasting filters in this pack, constructed from durable materials for extended use. If you need more frequent filter changes or want the most cost-effective option in the long run, this is the one for you. It's ideal for pet owners or those living in dusty environments. What people say. These fit my Shark Wand vacuum perfectly. I have found that vacuum needs filter cleaning very often, and it is nice to have plenty of backup filters available. Perfect replacement filters, and I like the included brush for cleaning. Thought our little Shark Vac wasn't working. Had lost suction, even though I regularly cleaned and washed it. But I replaced the filter with this brand and it's working like new. Number 3. Shark Wandvac WV201 Filters. These filters are designed to keep your Shark Wandvac performing at its best. They're easy to install and will help maintain suction power. Made from durable PC material, these filters are built to last. They are compatible with several Shark Wandvac models, ensuring a perfect fit. This 8-pack provides ample filters for regular replacements. It's recommended to change them every 2 to 3 months for optimal performance. Replacing these filters is quick and simple. Just snap them into place, no tools required. The package includes 8 filters and a cleaning tool for easy maintenance. Everything you need to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Each filter is thoroughly tested and inspected before packaging. We're confident you'll be satisfied with your purchase. Should you have any questions or issues, our customer support team is here to help. We're committed to providing a satisfactory solution. What we like? This value pack provides 8 filters, ensuring you're always prepared. If convenience and peace of mind are your priorities, this is the perfect option. The easy installation makes maintenance a breeze, saving you time and effort. What people say. The filters actually form a proper seal on the filter housing and don't leave a big gap. The quality was the same as the original that came with it. Greatly increased the suction to have a new filter. Number 2. Artraise Shark Wandvac Filters. Tired of weak suction? These replacement filters are designed to restore your Shark Wandvac to peak performance. Get the cleaning power you expect. It traps dust, allergens, and pet hair, keeping your home cleaner and your air healthier. Experience a noticeable difference in cleanliness. Replacing it is quick and simple. Just pop it in and you're ready to go. No tools needed, making maintenance a breeze. They are compatible with several Shark Wandvac models, including the WS620, WS630, WS632, and more. Check the product description for a full list. This pack includes 4 filters, providing you with replacements for months to come. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your vacuum's performance. These filters are built to last, ensuring consistent suction and filtration for a long time. Enjoy a cleaner home for longer. What we like. This product is not included in this comparison. What people say. Not only did this product come with a handy device to help you remove the old filter, surprise. Not part of the product description, but the filter itself had a better sealing ring than the original. It was a bit wider, giving you a better seal and therefore stronger suction. Stronger suction means the handheld vac picks up more and gets it to the dirt reservoir quicker. Definitely better than the original filter. A little taller than the original filter that came with the vacuum, but there's enough room that it still closes and works properly with these. Number 1. Shark Wandvac Filter Replacement. Maintaining a clean home is easy with this replacement filter kit. It ensures your vacuum continues to perform at its best, keeping your air fresh and healthy. This kit comes with 4 high-efficiency HEPA filters and a convenient cleaning brush. Everything you need for optimal cleaning performance. Extend the life of your filters and save money. Simply rinse them with clean water, let them air dry completely, and reuse them. For peak performance, it's recommended to replace your filters every 3 months. This ensures consistent suction and a healthy home environment. These filters capture even the smallest particles, as small as 0.3 microns, protecting your vacuum's motor and ensuring superior cleaning. Receive your filters quickly after ordering. We stand behind our products. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. This set includes 4 HEPA filters designed for superior filtration. If you prioritize clean air and efficient particle removal, this is your best bet. It's perfect for allergy sufferers or those seeking the highest level of cleanliness. What people say. They fit tight and snug, not like the loose fit of some. They were great, and it is much better than cleaning out the filter on your own. These are exact duplicates of the original filter, fit perfectly, and work great. I did notice at times that when clogged, this vacuum will shut itself off just like with a dead battery, so replacing the filter, at least in my case, should prolong the battery life and extend the life of the battery as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.